Okay, so for today's video, we're going to do a patio makeover. It's not going to be some insanely expensive project where we rip everything out and redo it all. We're going to use the base that we have here and just kind of add on with things that we already have. We're going to do it in two sections. The section I'm standing in here, we're going to try to make it like a dining area, a kind of lounge area. We're going to work with the projects that we actually did DIY projects for, so you can make a lot of these and use them on your own patio. And then behind me we also have another section which is a hot tub section, and I got a really cool pergola that we're going to put together and use that as a surround around the hot tub. So yeah, let me show you that section. All right, so this is the hot tub section. I'm going to do a few things here. Want to clean up the stairs a little bit, need to trim a few branches back here. And other than that, we just got this pergola delivered. That's from Sunjoy. It's amazing. I can't wait to put it up. It's all cedar, so it's going to wrap around the hot tub. It's got shelves so you can put your drinks on. It's got a little overhang to provide you some shade. And yeah, I just can't wait to get started on it. So let's go check that out. Actually, before we do that, I'm going to take advantage of the dry weather here and cut down this branch that's going to be blocking the pergola, as well as give the stairs a much needed coat of paint. It'll make it look a little better. Yeah, there we go. Looks way better already. Okay, so this is the pergola I got, and it's going to be great for the hot tub that will slide right in there, but actually it would be really cool for an outdoor kitchen as well. Just throw a grill in the middle, you can throw some bar stools on either side, and you pretty much got a nice little party spot going on here. I'm also going to throw up a discount code here that's going to help you out with 13% off of any regular price purchase on their website. I'll throw the link down in the video description as well. So let's check this one out. All right, so this looks pretty doable. We got our screws, our instructions. It looks like all the holes are pre-drilled, which is super nice. Everything's packed really well, so yeah, hopefully this is pretty manageable. Let's get to it. Alright, so I've gone basically as far as I can go in the garage. I got the big beams put together, I got the surround that goes around the sides together, so that's pretty good for now. All that's left is to have the weather cooperate so I can go and stand these guys up and then connect everything together, but we got a pretty good start today. A little helpful tip here, if you want to use the cardboard that's underneath that I've been using here, that actually came within the packaging, and it'll protect the wood while you're working on it, so that will probably save you some scuffs and scratches. Other than that, yeah, I think we are done for the day. It's still raining out, so obviously not helpful there, but I think the sun's coming out in the next couple days and we'll finish this one up. Okay, so it finally stopped snowing, which that's what you get in Minnesota Springs, so we are going to take what we can out here and see how much we can get done right now while we have a little break in the weather. Alright, so here's a quick update. We took all the pieces we had, assembled inside, moved them out here, assembled them into a cube basically. It's been pretty easy so far, and the sun is out, so I'm just going to keep on moving while we have good weather. Alright, the last and final screw. And we are officially done with the pergola. So the treads were kind of bothering me on those stairs, so I actually picked up some exterior stain and gave that another coat as well. So not a bad transformation from before to after for about $5. Okay, so now the back half is done. We're going to focus on the front half, which is going to be a combination of all the DIY projects we've made for the patio over the years. What projects are those, you might ask? Well, let's take a look. Okay, so I made a playlist incorporating all of our DIY patio furniture projects over the years. So here's what we're going to use for this project. We have our patio couch, our patio chairs, our patio dining table, our patio coffee table, another coffee table, and our bench. And I know this bench was originally an interior project, but you can just sub out 1x4s that are treated or cedar, and you can turn that into a pretty sweet exterior bench for this. All right, who's ready for the big reveal? Let's check it out. And do you guys like this wood privacy panel? Should I do a DIY on this? Let me know. So you remember the before of the back area, and now we have the after. I could not be more pleased with how this turned out. It smells amazing. It smells like cedar. Just great all around. The dogs seem to really enjoy it. They're probably going to be using this bar more than I am. Lots of treats all the time. And then at night, it looks absolutely amazing. I strung up some string lights, added a few other lights, and it's just a great place to have a few friends over and enjoy basically every night of the week. Okay, so you remember the before on the front patio as well, and I am just as stoked on how this area turned out as well. We really try to make these projects look professional, expensive, without having to spend thousands and thousands of dollars on it, and I think it just really turned out pretty awesome. And we'll give you some night shots here as well. You got the fireplace going, you have the table and bench there, and just the vibe of the patio overall, I think, is really inviting and welcoming. And yeah, it's a place that I would like to and hope to spend many a summer night at. So we're going to give you 2 uncut shots, one during the day and one at night, so you can get a full feel of how this patio makeover turned out. And we'll wrap things up after that. All right, that about does it for our patio makeover. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Have you made any of the DIY furniture? Are you digging the hot tub pergola? Would love to hear from you. And as always, thanks for watching.